Hello everyone. Welcome back to Medical Professor. Today we are diving into an essential English grammar topic, the modal verb could. Whether you want to talk about past abilities, make polite requests, or discuss possibilities, could is a must-know word. In this video, I'll share 40 powerful sentences to help you use could fluently and confidently in real-life conversations. So, watch till the end because I have some important tips to help you master this verb. Let's get started. Could is a modal verb used to express ability, possibility, polite requests, permission, and suggestions. Let's explore how to use could with different sentence structure. Number 1, could for past ability. We use could to talk about abilities in the past. Example sentences. When I was a child, I could run very fast. She could play the piano at the age of 5. He could lift heavy weights before his injury. They could solve difficult maths problem. My grandmother could sew beautiful dresses. Number 2, could for possibility. Could is used to talk about something that might happen in the present or future. Example sentences. It could rain later, so take an umbrella. This could be the best decision of your life. He could be at home right now. You could win the competition if you try hard. That noise could be coming from the basement. Number 3, could for polite requests. Could is commonly used to make polite requests. Example sentences. Could you please help me with my homework? Could I borrow your pen for a moment? Could you please tell me where the nearest bank is? Could you open the window, please? Could you pass me the salt? Could is also used to ask for or give permission. Examples. When I was a kid, I could stay up late on weekends. Could I leave early today? You could take the day off if you are not feeling well. Could we go outside for a break? He could enter the competition if he wanted to. Could for suggestions. We use could to suggest different possibilities or ideas. You could try calling him again. We could go to the park instead of the mall. You could take an online course to improve your skills. She could bake a cake for the party. You could ask your teacher for help. Could is often used in second conditional sentences to talk about hypothetical situations. For example, if I had more time, I could learn a new language. If he studied harder, he could pass the exam. If we left earlier, we could have avoided the traffic. If she saved more money, she could buy a car. If you practiced daily, you could become a great musician. Could or couldn't is used to express inability or impossibility. Could is used in negative sentences. For example, I couldn't understand what he was saying. She couldn't find her keys anywhere. We couldn't go outside because it was raining. He couldn't finish his assignment on time. They couldn't believe the news. Could is also used in questions to ask for permissions, possibilities, requests, or suggestion. For example, could you please help me with this project? Could you lend me some money until next week? Could I get a discount on this product? Could we meet tomorrow at 5 p.m.? Could this be the solution to our problem? Now you have learned 40 sentences using could. It's time to practice. Try making your own sentences in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Medical Professor for fun and easy English lessons. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep learning and keep improving. Bye for now. Thank you.